Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, June 29th, 2020, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, the Dow had a really great day today. Kind of reversed this, not totally, but this bad move it had on Friday. It was down like 700 and some points, and today it gained 580. Um, with a big push right there at the very end and closing right on its high. That's always a good sign. Uh, so it didn't totally wipe out this loss from Friday, but it wiped out most of it. What we need here is some follow through tomorrow on this. We don't need the Dow to reverse itself again tomorrow and go back down. That just doesn't prove anything. But if it does reverse itself or does some follow through tomorrow, have another good move, then it's looking very strong. Uh, no, I still think this is a bull market, and today just reinforced that position of mine. We had kind of a, a somewhat profitable day, but it was a little bit boring and just a little bit disappointing given the strong move in the Dow here. We only had four positions coming in. We closed this out with positive $4,500. We were hurt a little because we were long UVXY, which is basically a short on the overall market, and so that closed out negative, and that with only four stocks, that kind of pulled things down a little bit. Nevertheless, we made $4,500 on what we closed out. We got into 14 new positions. That's quite a few. 7 positive, 7 negative, and we're carrying just over $2,000 positive going into tomorrow. So that's kind of a lackluster performance on a day the Dow goes up over 500 points. However, I think I told you that over the weekend I was working on the new July portfolio, and I did finish that up, sent it out to all the customers, and I was testing this in background today, and the July portfolio is hot. It did a whole lot better than the June portfolio today. So I'm going to be looking forward to getting into the July portfolio on Wednesday, and that's the 1st of July, of course, and we will start trading that. So anyway, not too much to show, but I will show you two of the good stocks we had today. This first one, this was our best trade today. This is BCRX, which is BioCryst Pharmaceuticals, and we had bought this on Friday, and it never looked back on Friday. Jumped up very nicely for our exit this morning, and we took $5,500 out of BioCryst Pharmaceuticals. And then, as far as getting into anything today, this was the best we could do. This is HOV again, Hovnanian Enterprises. I can't believe this stock. It's just like every time we get into it, we make money. It's just been consistently really good for us. And anyway, we bought this spike here. We got filled pretty bad there, all right at the top of that spike, but it just kept going. And we're holding $2,900, almost just shy of $3,000 open trade in Hovnanian Enterprises. So anyway, I feel pretty good about the day, and I'm also getting excited about starting that July portfolio on Wednesday. Trader Bob sign off. I'll see you tomorrow on Tuesday, last day of June.